mirror. You see that? I'm trying to record using the mic.
Hi guys, welcome back to Hasbro channel Recording Hobbies. Today I'm going to do a video about this product by DJI. I know that DJI just releases their most anticipated, the Osmo Pocket 4, but this one is not it. This one is the Mic Mini, and also the newer version of its receiver. This one is very cheap. In the US it is $15 USD, but like my country, I bought it like $20 plus, about 120 ringgit. I put a link below, you can check on it. I know some of you guys cannot get this at your place. Maybe you can click at that link, it will go to Shopee, and then you might want to get it. Actually, you can just connect it, the DJI Mini, to your phone. Very easy. I think it's quite a small setup, very light, quite clear mic. It has magnet where you can connect it with your charger. So it also has this clipper where you see all the time people use this and clip it on their shirt. It also has some of the things included in this pack. Basically it's the same as this, only different color, maybe material. This one is black. You can put it on top on your mic here. So if you have some metal, you can also place it. If you have some let's say clipper, easier to attach it to your shirt. So this is the thing. I think quite a great stuff. Still sealed, so I need to unwrap it tight at the bottom. So it's really that small actually. It's just this. So it's quite a big difference if you compare this to your older setup. I think for the mic it's just simple. You click the link up button for 2 seconds and then the LED will show some differences. I think here it has this blue and green. So basically what they're saying is once you on it, it will blink, but once you click it and it's already connected, it will have that non-blinking green LED color. Attach it to your devices like phone, and basically you good to use it. So let's try and put it. See, once you put it in, the LED will blink. So next we try to connect it with this DJI Mini. So on it, DJI Mini has on button and link button. So now we already switch on the button, and then next to link it. See, it's already connected, pretty clear. It's already connected. So now try the Mimo apps. So now it's already detecting the DJI found because of the open. Basically it's already connected because the LED green color is not blinking anymore. So you can use it. Set mic, okay. So this will appear. So connected. It's already connected. You can see here the green color with, if you use this the mic mini, the color will be green. If you use the other mic from DJI, I think it will be in blue color. So have this disable noise reduction. It has 3 stage. Disable basic and strong. So basic is here. New, zero reduction. L is low and high is also reduction. So basically it's already detecting some of the sound that I speak. Let's say I put it near to my mouth. You can see that the detection of sound is higher. So I put it here. You see that I'm trying to record this. You can see there's some detection of sound. So let's say I put it near to my mouth. You can see that it is recording. As you put near, you can see it detect a better sound. Try some recording, simple recording. So using this, so now I put it nearer. You see that I'm trying to record using the mic. This, so now I put it nearer. You see that I'm trying to record using the mic. You can see the voice recording showing a very clear sound nearby. And I put it here to show you the mic is in front of the camera instead of in front of my mouth. You can see that the voice is not that clear, but if I put in front of my mouth, you can see that the improvement of sound is far better. This one is my first impression of this mic. I know this is a very good addition to my Rode Shogun mic during recording. So if I'm using any of DJI products, this is they call it quite a game changer because it's quite clear. You can see how much of good sound they recorded. And if you have some issue with it, you want noise reduction, you can always click this button. So click one, slide one to low, and the color will change. If you go another one, they go higher, so there'll be a noise reduction. So you can see that. Try to record it. You can see that the voice is good. I'll do another video. We're talking about the result of this sound. It's easier. Just a simple attach of this receiver, then you're good to go. To charge also very simple. You just need to put it this way and then let's attach the USB-C cable. It's quite brilliant, very clear. You just need to snap it, then it's good to go. Same with the other material. The color is, this one is white, black or gray. Like this handy bag, you put all the stuff in. And just silica, so you can put all this thing then, because this one is too small, just put in inside with the other accessories that come with the DJI. With, you can put all the things inside this bag together with the receiver and also the mic mini, DJI mic mini. You can see that it is attached because of the magnets. So a very small setup, but I think it's quite a clear mic setup. Brilliant stuff by DJI, by the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And like always, guys, see you guys in the next one.